This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make BBQ sauce marinade for chicken. Let's start with the foundational ingredients for a delicious homemade barbecue marinade. You'll need about 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for that perfect sweet and tangy balance. Don't forget a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and a few drops of liquid smoke to enhance the savory notes. Finally, add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika for a warm, inviting aroma. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to bring them together. In a medium bowl, combine everything and whisk vigorously until the marinade is completely smooth and uniform. This ensures all the flavors are evenly distributed. Now, for the fun part, customization. If you prefer a sweeter marinade, add an extra tablespoon of brown sugar or a drizzle of honey. For more tang, a splash of lemon juice or additional apple cider vinegar works wonders. And if you like a little kick, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce will do the trick. Now that your marinade is perfect, let's get that chicken ready. Place your chicken pieces, whether they're breasts, thighs, or drumsticks, into a large, sealable bag or a shallow dish. Pour the entire batch of your homemade BBQ marinade over the chicken, making sure every piece is thoroughly coated. Seal the bag securely or cover the dish tightly. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator. For optimal flavor, let it marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, but for the best results, 24 hours is ideal. After marinating, your chicken is ready for cooking. Remove the chicken from the marinade and cook it using your favorite method, whether that's grilling over medium heat, baking in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or pan frying. Remember, it's crucial to discard any marinade that has touched raw chicken to prevent cross-contamination. If you have any unused marinade, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Always ensure your chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.